Hi, I'm Bright and welcome to today's fascinating exploration into the science of laughter. Why do we laugh? What happens in our brain when we giggle, chuckle, or burst into uncontrollable laughter? Join me as we dive deep into the world of laughter, exploring scientific findings, psychological insights, and much more. So, let's get started. Laughter is a universal human experience, but have you ever wondered what triggers it? At its core, laughter is a complex response to stimuli that our brain finds amusing, surprising, or socially bonding. It can be sparked by a joke, a funny situation, or even the laughter of others, thanks to our highly social nature. When we laugh, our brain engages in a series of fascinating processes. The prefrontal cortex, which is involved in cognitive functions, plays a key role in interpreting humor. Once a joke or funny situation is perceived, this information is quickly processed and evaluated for its comedic value. Upon recognizing something as funny, the brain activates the limbic system, particularly the amygdala, which governs emotional responses. This is where the feeling of amusement begins. But laughter is more than just an emotional response. It also has a significant physical component. One of the most critical aspects of laughter is the release of neurotransmitters. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good chemical, is released, creating a sense of euphoria and reward. This is the same neurotransmitter involved in the pleasure we get from eating our favorite food or engaging in enjoyable activities. Serotonin, another neurotransmitter, contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being, playing a role in regulating mood and anxiety. Endorphins, which are natural painkillers, are also released, providing relief from physical pain and contributing to an overall sense of well-being. These neurotransmitters work together to create a cocktail of positive emotions, making us feel good almost instantly. This biochemical reaction not only elevates our mood but also has several health benefits. The reduction of stress and pain is one of the most notable effects of laughter. When we laugh, the levels of stress hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, decrease. This reduction helps us relax and can even improve our immune system's functioning over time. In addition to the chemical changes, laughter also involves several physiological responses. It increases our heart rate and oxygen intake, similar to the effects of light exercise. This increased blood flow and oxygenation of the brain and body contribute to an overall sense of relaxation and invigoration after a good laugh. Laughter is also highly contagious. Mirror neurons in our brain allow us to mimic the actions and emotions of others. When we see someone else laugh, our brain responds in kind, triggering our laughter even if we don't fully understand the joke. This mirroring effect is one reason why laughter is so effective at bonding people together and enhancing social connections. In summary, laughter is a multifaceted response involving cognitive, emotional, and physical components. It triggers a cascade of positive effects in our brain and body, making us feel good and reducing stress and pain. It's a powerful, natural mechanism that enhances our well-being and strengthens social bonds, underscoring why it's such an essential part of the human experience. Laughter has deep evolutionary roots, stretching back millions of years. It's not just a random behavior but an essential part of our social toolkit. Scientists believe that laughter evolved as a social bonding mechanism, helping our ancestors to survive and thrive in their environments. In early human societies, laughter likely played a crucial role in communication and cooperation. Before the development of complex language, laughter could have been a primary way for individuals to convey information about safety, social hierarchies, and emotional states. Imagine a group of early humans gathered around a fire. One member might perform an amusing gesture or make a playful sound, prompting laughter from the others. This shared experience of laughter would signal a safe and friendly environment, encouraging group cohesion and cooperation. Laughter also likely served as a way to signal trust and camaraderie. When individuals laughed together, it indicated mutual understanding and a sense of belonging. This was particularly important in forming and maintaining social bonds within groups, which were essential for survival. Strong social bonds meant better cooperation in hunting, gathering, and protecting each other from predators and other threats. The evolutionary perspective suggests that laughter's social bonding function can be observed in other primates as well. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives, engage in play panting, a behavior similar to human laughter, during social play. This panting helps to build and reinforce social bonds within their groups, just as laughter does for humans. Observing these behaviors in primates provides valuable insights into how laughter might have evolved in our own species. Interestingly, laughter's role in social bonding extends beyond immediate survival needs. It also plays a part in the formation of larger social structures and cultural practices. For instance, rituals, ceremonies, and communal gatherings often involve laughter, reinforcing group identity and cohesion. Over time, these practices could have contributed to the development of more complex societies and cultures. Laughter's evolutionary significance is further supported by its universality. All human cultures have some form of laughter, suggesting that it is a deeply ingrained aspect of human behavior. This universality indicates that laughter has been maintained through natural selection because of its beneficial effects on social bonding and group dynamics. Additionally, the contagious nature of laughter amplifies its social benefits. When one person laughs, it often triggers laughter in others, creating a ripple effect that enhances the sense of community and shared experience. This contagiousness likely helped early human groups to quickly establish and maintain social harmony, which was crucial for their collective survival. Moreover, laughter's evolutionary role can be linked to the development of humor. While the specifics of what different cultures find funny can vary, the underlying mechanisms of humor often involve elements of surprise, incongruity, and playfulness, all of which can elicit laughter. Humor and laughter together create a powerful tool for social interaction, enabling individuals to navigate complex social landscapes, diffuse tensions, and build alliances. In summary, laughter's evolutionary roots highlight its importance as a social bonding mechanism. From early human societies to modern times, laughter has played a critical role in communication, cooperation, and the formation of social bonds. Its presence in other primates and its universality across human cultures underscore its deep evolutionary significance. By understanding the evolutionary perspective of laughter, we can better appreciate its vital role in our social lives and overall well-being. The act of laughing is a complex process that involves several regions of the brain, each playing a distinct role in how we perceive and respond to humor. Let's take a closer look at the key areas involved and how they contribute to the experience of laughter. Firstly, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for the cognitive processing of humor. This area, located at the front of the brain, is involved in higher-order thinking and decision-making. When we hear a joke or see something funny, the prefrontal cortex evaluates the information, recognizes patterns, and detects incongruities or surprises that are often the basis of humor. This cognitive appraisal is the first step in the chain reaction that leads to laughter. Next, the amygdala plays a crucial role in processing emotional responses. This almond-shaped set of neurons, located deep within the brain's medial temporal lobe, is essential for our emotional regulation and reactions. When the prefrontal cortex identifies something as humorous, it sends signals to the amygdala, which generates an emotional response. This emotional reaction is what makes the humor feel pleasurable or amusing, adding an effective component to the cognitive processing. Another key player in the brain's laughter circuit is the nucleus accumbens, a region in the brain's reward system. This area is particularly interesting because it releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Dopamine is associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. When we laugh, the nucleus accumbens becomes active, flooding our brain with dopamine and creating a sense of euphoria and happiness. This reward mechanism not only makes us feel good in the moment but also reinforces the behavior, making us more likely to seek out and respond to humorous stimuli in the future. Functional MRI, fMRI, studies have provided fascinating insights into how these brain regions work together during laughter. When participants in these studies are exposed to humorous content, fMRI scans show increased activity in the prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and nucleus accumbens. These scans effectively light up the areas involved, giving researchers a visual map of the brain's response to humor. The coordinated activation of these regions underscores the intricate interplay between cognitive processing, emotional response, and reward mechanisms in the experience of laughter. In addition to these primary areas, other parts of the brain also contribute to the laughter response. The insula, for example, is involved in the perception of bodily sensations and emotional experiences, adding another layer to how we feel humor. The anterior cingulate cortex helps in regulating emotional responses and is thought to play a role in the social aspects of laughter, such as empathy and bonding. Moreover, the motor cortex is responsible for the physical expression of laughter. This region controls the movements of the facial muscles, diaphragm, and vocal cords, allowing us to produce the characteristic sounds and gestures of laughter. The integration of motor responses with cognitive and emotional processing highlights the multifaceted nature of laughter as both a mental and physical phenomenon. Interestingly, laughter also has a social dimension that involves brain regions related to social cognition and theory of mind, such as the temporoparietal junction and the medial prefrontal cortex. These areas help us understand and predict the thoughts and feelings of others, enabling us to share in their amusement and laughter. This social aspect of laughter reinforces its role in bonding and group cohesion. In summary, the brain's involvement in laughter is a testament to its complexity and sophistication. The prefrontal cortex evaluates humor, the amygdala generates an emotional response, and the nucleus accumbens provides the rewarding feeling of joy and pleasure. Together with other regions like the insula, anterior cingulate cortex, motor cortex, and areas related to social cognition, these brain structures orchestrate the rich and multifaceted experience of laughter. Understanding how these regions work together not only sheds light on the mechanics of humor but also underscores the profound impact laughter has on our mental and emotional well-being. Laughter is not just about humor, it's deeply tied to our psychological state and can reveal much about our emotions and social interactions. Psychologists have studied laughter extensively and categorize it into different types, each serving a unique purpose and reflecting different aspects of our mental and emotional lives. Let's explore these categories and their significance. First, there's social laughter. This type of laughter is a powerful tool for building and maintaining relationships. When we laugh with others, it creates a sense of connection and belonging. Social laughter is often contagious. Hearing someone laugh can trigger laughter in others, creating a shared experience that strengthens social bonds. This type of laughter is common in conversations, social gatherings, and group activities. It acts as a social glue, fostering cooperation and trust within communities. By laughing together, we signal friendliness, reduce social tensions, and promote group cohesion. Next, we have nervous laughter, which can seem paradoxical at first. Why would we laugh when we're anxious or uncomfortable? Nervous laughter is a coping mechanism that helps us manage stress and diffuse tension. It often occurs in awkward or high-pressure situations, such as during a difficult conversation or when we're feeling self-conscious. This type of laughter helps to mask our discomfort and can provide a brief emotional release. Although it may not always be appropriate, nervous laughter serves to lighten the emotional load and make stressful situations more bearable. It's a way for our mind to signal that we need to diffuse the tension, even if only momentarily. Joyful laughter is perhaps the most cherished type of laughter. It represents genuine happiness and delight. This laughter is spontaneous and often comes from experiencing something truly funny or heartwarming. Joyful laughter releases a rush of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which enhance our mood and promote a sense of well-being. It's the kind of laughter that leaves us feeling uplifted and energized. Whether it's a child's infectious giggle or the shared laughter among friends during a joyful moment, this type of laughter is a pure expression of happiness and connection. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the profound joy that humor and camaraderie can bring. In addition to these categories, psychologists have identified other nuanced forms of laughter, such as courtesy laughter and mocking laughter. Courtesy laughter is the polite chuckle we offer during social interactions, even if we don't find something particularly funny. It's a way to maintain social harmony and show that we're engaged and receptive. On the other hand, mocking laughter can be used to assert dominance or ridicule others. This type of laughter highlights the complex social dynamics that laughter can navigate, reflecting both positive and negative interpersonal interactions. Understanding these different types of laughter can provide valuable insights into our psychological state and social behavior. For example, recognizing when someone is using nervous laughter can help us empathize with their anxiety and respond with support rather than judgment. Similarly, being aware of social laughter's role can enhance our ability to connect with others and build stronger relationships. Psychologists have also explored the therapeutic potential of laughter. Laughter therapy or humor therapy is used in various settings to improve mental health and well-being. It involves using humor to relieve stress, enhance mood, and promote overall psychological resilience. Group laughter sessions, where participants engage in intentional laughter exercises, have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve pain tolerance, and boost immune function. The positive effects of laughter on mental health underscore its importance as a natural and accessible form of therapy. Moreover, laughter's role in emotional regulation is significant. It helps us process and release emotions, acting as a natural stress reliever. In social contexts, laughter can help de-escalate conflicts and create a more relaxed atmosphere, facilitating better communication and problem-solving. This emotional regulation function is particularly important in high-stress environments, such as workplaces or therapeutic settings. In summary, laughter is a multifaceted phenomenon deeply intertwined with our psychological state. Social laughter fosters connections, nervous laughter serves as a coping mechanism, and joyful laughter brings pure happiness. By understanding the different types of laughter and their psychological implications, we can better appreciate the complex ways in which laughter enriches our lives. Whether used as a tool for social bonding, a mechanism for coping with stress, or a source of joy and well-being, laughter remains an essential aspect of the human experience. Laughter is often called the best medicine, and for good reason. The health benefits of laughter extend far beyond just making us feel good in the moment. Extensive scientific research has shown that laughter has profound and wide-ranging positive effects on our physical and mental health. Let's delve into some of the key health benefits and understand why laughter is such a powerful tool for well-being. Firstly, laughter has a remarkable ability to boost the immune system. When we laugh, our body increases the production of antibodies and activates immune cells such as T cells and natural killer cells, which help fight off infections and diseases. Laughter also raises the levels of infection-fighting proteins called immunoglobulins in our saliva and blood, providing a stronger defense against respiratory infections and other illnesses. This immune-boosting effect of laughter can help us stay healthier and recover more quickly from illnesses. Additionally, laughter is effective at lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Laughter induces a state of relaxation and dilates blood vessels, which can reduce overall blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that regular laughter can lead to sustained reductions in blood pressure, contributing to better cardiovascular health. By incorporating laughter into our daily lives, we can help maintain healthier blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. Moreover, laughter is beneficial for cardiovascular health. When we laugh, our heart rate increases, and we take in more oxygen-rich air, which stimulates the heart and lungs. This cardiovascular workout is similar to light exercise, helping to improve circulation and strengthen the heart. Laughter also increases the elasticity of blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. The combined effects of laughter on heart rate, blood vessel function, and overall circulation contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Laughter also has a significant impact on pain management. It triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. These endorphins not only create a feeling of euphoria but also help reduce physical pain. This is why laughter therapy is often used as a complementary treatment for chronic pain conditions, such as arthritis and fibromyalgia. By reducing pain perception and enhancing the body's pain tolerance, laughter can improve the quality of life for individuals dealing with chronic pain. In terms of mental health, laughter is a powerful mood enhancer. It reduces the levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which can help alleviate anxiety and depression. Laughter increases the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, creating a sense of well-being and happiness. This mood-lifting effect of laughter can provide immediate relief from stress and help build long-term resilience against mental health challenges. Incorporating laughter into daily routines can contribute to better emotional regulation and overall mental well-being. Laughter therapy, or humor therapy, is being used in various medical settings to support patients with chronic illnesses. This form of therapy involves using humor and laughter exercises to promote physical and emotional healing. In hospitals and clinics, laughter therapy has been shown to improve patient outcomes by reducing stress, enhancing mood, and boosting immune function. Patients undergoing laughter therapy often report feeling more relaxed, optimistic, and better equipped to cope with their illness. This holistic approach to treatment highlights the therapeutic potential of laughter in enhancing overall well-being. Additionally, laughter fosters social connections, which are essential for our health. Laughing with others creates a sense of bonding and reduces feelings of loneliness and isolation. Social laughter encourages the release of oxytocin, a hormone associated with social bonding and trust. These positive social interactions can improve mental health, lower stress levels, and contribute to a supportive network that enhances overall well-being. Strong social connections are linked to longer life expectancy and better health outcomes, underscoring the importance of laughter in building and maintaining these relationships. Furthermore, laughter promotes relaxation and sleep. It relaxes the whole body, relieving physical tension and stress. A good, hearty laugh can leave muscles relaxed for up to 45 minutes. This relaxation effect can improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Better sleep contributes to improved cognitive function, mood, and overall health. In summary, laughter truly is a powerful medicine with numerous health benefits. It boosts the immune system, lowers blood pressure, improves cardiovascular health, reduces pain, enhances mood, and fosters social connections. Laughter therapy is increasingly being recognized and utilized in medical settings for its ability to improve patient outcomes and overall well-being. By incorporating more laughter into our lives, we can enjoy these profound health benefits and enhance our quality of life. So, find reasons to laugh every day, and share the joy with those around you. Your body and mind will thank you for it. While laughter is usually a positive experience, there are disorders associated with it that can significantly impact individuals' lives. These laughter disorders often stem from underlying neurological conditions and can lead to distressing and socially challenging situations. Let's explore some of these disorders, their causes, and their effects on those who experience them. One such disorder is pseudobulbar affect, PBA. PBA is characterized by sudden, uncontrollable episodes of laughter or crying that are disproportionate or inappropriate to the social context. These episodes can occur without any apparent emotional trigger, making them confusing and embarrassing for those affected. PBA is often seen in patients with neurological disorders such as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, multiple sclerosis, MS, stroke, traumatic brain injury, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. The exact cause of PBA is not fully understood, but it is believed to result from disrupted neural pathways that regulate emotional expression. The condition can be challenging to manage, but treatments such as medication and behavioral therapy can help reduce the frequency and severity of episodes. Another rare but intriguing condition is gelastic seizures. Gelastic seizures, also known as laughing seizures, involve sudden bursts of laughter that occur without any apparent trigger. These seizures are typically caused by abnormalities or tumors in the hypothalamus, a region of the brain that plays a key role in regulating emotions and behaviors. Gelastic seizures can be particularly perplexing because the laughter is not associated with any genuine feelings of joy or amusement. In some cases, these seizures may be accompanied by other symptoms such as confusion, altered consciousness, or autonomic changes like increased heart rate or sweating. Diagnosing gelastic seizures often involves neuroimaging techniques, such as MRI or CT scans, to identify the underlying abnormalities. Treatment options may include surgical removal of the tumor, anti-epileptic medications, or other interventions to control seizure activity. Tourette syndrome is another condition associated with laughter disorders. Tourette syndrome is a neurological disorder characterized by repetitive, involuntary movements and vocalizations called tics. While the most well-known tics are motor tics like blinking or shoulder shrugging, some individuals with Tourette syndrome may also exhibit vocal tics that include laughter or other sounds. These laughter tics can be socially disruptive and may lead to misunderstandings or embarrassment in public settings. Treatment for Tourette syndrome often involves a combination of medication, behavioral therapy, and support to help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Cataplexy, a symptom of narcolepsy, can also be associated with laughter. Cataplexy involves sudden muscle weakness or paralysis triggered by strong emotions, including laughter. During a cataplectic attack, individuals may experience anything from slight weakness to complete collapse, although they remain fully conscious. These episodes can be frightening and dangerous, especially if they occur in situations where muscle control is critical, such as while driving or operating machinery. Treatment for cataplexy typically involves medications that help regulate sleep and reduce the frequency of attacks. Additionally, Angelman syndrome is a genetic disorder that affects the nervous system and is characterized by developmental delays, intellectual disability, speech impairments, and frequent, inappropriate bouts of laughter. Children with Angelman syndrome often exhibit a happy, excitable demeanor and have difficulty with motor coordination and balance. The frequent laughter in Angelman syndrome is not necessarily linked to emotions or social context and can occur spontaneously. Management of Angelman syndrome focuses on addressing the various symptoms through a multidisciplinary approach, including physical therapy, speech therapy, and specialized educational programs. The psychological and social impact of these laughter disorders can be profound. Individuals with these conditions often face challenges in social interactions, employment, and daily activities due to the unpredictable and uncontrollable nature of their laughter episodes. This can lead to feelings of isolation, embarrassment, and frustration. It is important for healthcare providers, caregivers, and society as a whole to understand and support individuals with laughter disorders, recognizing the impact these conditions can have on their quality of life. Research into the underlying mechanisms of laughter disorders is ongoing, with scientists exploring the complex interplay between brain regions, neurotransmitters, and genetic factors. Advances in neuroimaging, molecular biology, and genetics are helping to shed light on these conditions and pave the way for more effective treatments. Understanding the neural circuits and biochemical pathways involved in laughter and its disorders is crucial for developing targeted therapies that can improve the lives of those affected. In summary, while laughter is generally a positive and health-promoting activity, disorders such as pseudobulbar affect, gelastic seizures, Tourette syndrome, cataplexy, and Angelman syndrome highlight the complex and sometimes problematic nature of laughter. These conditions underscore the importance of continued research and awareness to provide better diagnosis, treatment, and support for individuals affected by laughter disorders. By increasing our understanding of these conditions, we can help those affected lead more fulfilling and less stigmatized lives. Over the years, numerous scientific studies have shed light on the intricacies of laughter, revealing the complex mechanisms behind this seemingly simple human behavior. Researchers have employed a variety of techniques, including EEG, electroencephalography, and fMRI, functional magnetic resonance imaging, to study brain activity during laughter, providing fascinating insights into how humor is processed and how laughter affects our brain and body. One of the landmark studies in this field was conducted by Dr. Robert Provini, a pioneer in laughter research. Dr. Provini's work has been instrumental in understanding the social nature of laughter. Through extensive observational studies, he discovered that laughter is 30 times more likely to occur in social contexts than when a person is alone. This finding underscores the role of laughter as a social bonding tool, reinforcing group cohesion and communication. Dr. Provini's research also highlighted that laughter is not just a response to humor but a form of social signaling, often occurring during mundane conversations rather than in response to jokes or comedic situations. In addition to observational studies, scientists have conducted controlled experiments to explore the physiological and psychological effects of laughter. EEG studies have shown that laughter triggers widespread activation in the brain, involving areas responsible for emotion, cognition, and motor function. These studies reveal that when we laugh, our brain generates electrical activity that synchronizes across different regions, promoting a state of neural coherence that is associated with relaxation and well-being. fMRI studies have further elucidated the brain's response to humor and laughter. For instance, research has shown that when individuals perceive something funny, the brain's reward system is activated. The nucleus accumbens, a key component of this system, releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, which contributes to the pleasurable sensation associated with laughter. This activation of the reward system explains why laughter is such an enjoyable experience and why it can be so contagious in social settings. Another intriguing area of study involves the health benefits of laughter. Researchers have found that laughter can have a positive impact on various physiological processes. For example, studies have shown that laughter can improve cardiovascular function by increasing blood flow and enhancing the elasticity of blood vessels. This is often referred to as the endothelium effect, where the inner lining of blood vessels responds positively to laughter-induced relaxation. Laughter has also been found to boost the immune system. Research conducted by Dr. Lee Burke and Dr. Stanley Tan at Loma Linda University demonstrated that laughter can increase the production of natural killer cells, which are critical for fighting off infections and cancer. Their studies revealed that laughter leads to an increase in the levels of immunoglobulins and T cells, both of which play essential roles in the immune response. This immuno-enhancing effect of laughter provides a scientific basis for the age-old saying, "Laughter is the best medicine." Moreover, laughter therapy has gained attention in clinical settings as a complementary treatment for various conditions. For example, studies have shown that laughter can reduce stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, leading to a decrease in overall stress levels. This effect is particularly beneficial for patients with chronic illnesses, as stress reduction can improve their quality of life and enhance the effectiveness of conventional treatments. Laughter therapy sessions, often conducted in group settings, harness the social and physiological benefits of laughter to promote healing and well-being. One particularly interesting study conducted in Japan explored the impact of laughter on patients with type 2 diabetes. The researchers found that patients who engaged in laughter sessions after meals had significantly lower blood sugar levels compared to those who did not. This finding suggests that laughter can influence metabolic processes, potentially offering a simple and enjoyable way to help manage diabetes. The psychological effects of laughter are also well documented. Laughter has been shown to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Studies indicate that laughter triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, which can induce a state of euphoria and reduce the perception of pain. This analgesic effect of laughter has been utilized in pain management programs, helping patients cope with chronic pain conditions in a non-pharmacological way. Furthermore, laughter can enhance social interactions and relationships. Research has shown that shared laughter increases feelings of closeness and strengthens interpersonal bonds. This social bonding effect is thought to be mediated by the release of oxytocin, the love hormone, which promotes feelings of trust and attachment. In romantic relationships, couples who laugh together are more likely to experience higher levels of relationship satisfaction and resilience during conflicts. In summary, the scientific studies and findings on laughter provide a comprehensive understanding of its multifaceted role in human life. From its evolutionary origins as a social bonding mechanism to its profound effects on brain function, health, and psychological well-being, laughter is a powerful and beneficial behavior. Continued research in this field promises to uncover even more about the science of laughter, further validating its importance in our lives and offering new ways to harness its positive effects for health and happiness. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey into the science of laughter. We've explored its neurological, psychological, and evolutionary aspects, delved into its profound health benefits, and uncovered fascinating cultural differences. Laughter is indeed a universal language that connects us all, transcending boundaries and bringing joy into our lives. Through understanding the complexities behind a simple laugh, we gain insight into the incredible ways our bodies and minds work together to create this joyous sound. Whether it's a subtle giggle or a hearty belly laugh, each burst of laughter has the power to elevate our spirits, strengthen our social bonds, and even improve our health. As we've seen, laughter truly is a powerful force for good. It not only enriches our daily interactions but also plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. From boosting our immune system to lowering stress levels, the benefits of laughter are vast and varied, proving that the old adage, "laughter is the best medicine," holds more truth than we might have realized. If you found this video fascinating and informative, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us bring you the latest scientific discoveries and thought-provoking discussions. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And, of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. What makes you laugh the most? How has laughter impacted your life? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thank you once again for watching. Until next time, keep laughing and spreading joy wherever you go. Remember, a day without laughter is a day wasted. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.